Our next problem involves the concept of payload for a balloon. We are given that a balloon of diameter 20 meters and weighing 100 kilograms is there, and we need to calculate the payload if this balloon is filled by helium at 1 atm and 27 degrees centigrade. The two facts given are density of air and the value of gas constant R. Now first thing is, what do you mean by payload? The payload for a balloon is defined as the mass of air displaced minus the total mass of balloon. Here the total mass includes the mass of balloon plus the weight of gas which is filled inside it. This is how payload for a balloon is defined. So first of all, we will try to find out the mass of air displaced. For this we have density of air, so we need to find out the volume of air displaced. Now the volume of air displaced is equal to the volume of balloon, and we know that balloon is a sphere, so volume of balloon is equal to 4 by 3 into pi into r cube, which is 10 cube. Hence the volume of air displaced comes out to be equal to 4187 meter cube, which is equal to 4187 into 10 की power 3 decimeter cube. Here we are converting the volume into decimeter cube because the data is given in decimeter cube format. Now the volume of balloon is equal to volume of air displaced. Hence the mass of air displaced is density of air into volume of air displaced, which is equal to 4187 into 1.2 into 10 power 3. On solving this, it comes out to be equal to 5024.4 kilograms. Now we have got the mass of air displaced. We now need to find the total weight of balloon. For this we need to find the weight of helium gas inside the balloon. Now we have pressure, volume and temperature, so we can find the number of moles of helium gas by using the gas equation PV equals to nRT. So N is equal to PV upon RT. Pressure is given to be equal to 1 atmosphere. Volume is equal to 4187 into 10 power 3. R is the normal 0.0821 and temperature in Kelvin is equal to 300 Kelvin. So the number of moles of helium comes out to be equal to 170.2 into 10 power 3 moles. So the weight of helium comes out to be equal to the number of moles into its molecular weight, which is equal to 4, which is equal to 680.8 into 10 power 3. This is in grams, which is equal to 680.8 kilograms. So the mass of total balloon is equal to the mass of balloon, which is 100 kilograms, plus the mass of helium gas. So total mass is equal to 100 plus 680.8, which is equal to 780.8 kilograms. Now we have got the mass of air displaced as well as the total mass of the balloon. So the payload is equal to 5024.4 minus 780.8 kilograms, which is equal to the mass of air displaced minus the total weight of the balloon. This comes out to be equal to 4243.6 kilograms. So in this problem we learned a new concept, which is the payload concept of a balloon. The payload of a balloon is equal to mass of air displaced minus the total weight of the balloon, where the total weight of the balloon is equal to the weight of the gas which is present inside it plus the initial weight of the balloon, and hence we got the final payload equals to 4243.6 kilograms, which is our final answer.